Hi guys, I'm back with another car. We have got this 2013 Audi A8. It's a Sport Executive. It's a 63 registered vehicle, 3.0 Tdi with 66,000 miles. Just one former keeper, 6 services I think, might be 7. It's in the advert anyway. Very nice spec. And this one is finished in emerald black. Now, emerald black is black as you look at it. When the sun hits it, it's got this beautiful green undertone to it. Absolutely amazing colour, amazing. One's got the 360 camera, so you've got your front cam there. We've got the LED matrix lights, the 21-inch rotor alloys, which have got 4 Pirelli tyres on, which are all very, very good. They're all also marked. We've got the glass sunroof, privacy glass. Super straight. Front and rear parking sensors, of course. Comes with a private number plate. That is included with the sale. Got reverse cam. No bumper scuffs, etc. Really nice car. Comes fully serviced, no MOT, 3-month warranty, all within the price. As I say, the tyres are all very good. You can see for yourself there, and they are all Pirellis. Owned by an IT consultant previously. Clearly not scrimped on the maintenance and the upkeep of it. We'll show you inside. Begin with the boot. It's got the power tailgate, as you can see there. And it's all very clean and tidy with your load net. Spare wheel in there, you just see that. Got your warning triangle as well. The top. Inside, it's got the perforated Valcona leather in the black, which is quilted as well, with the armrest in the centre. It is a 5-seat model. It's got Isofix, etc. Got the Bose audio, as you'll see there. As we move into the front, again, all exceptionally clean and tidy. Got your memory front seats, fully electric, folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers. Got the leather dash top as well in this one. Piano black trim in the centre is all very nice. Your cruise control, your electric steering column, multi-function steering wheel. Let's start her up so you can see there's no warnings, no nasties. So as you see there, all the lights illuminating go out as they should. We've got a mileage of 66,300. Perfect. We've got your Audi Drive Select, which allows you to select different versions, including suspension heights. So the car is on air suspension and it's all working perfectly. Got your DAB radio, your media interface with the all important Bluetooth audio, of course your navigation, your Bluetooth and everything else. We've got heated seats in the front, just there with dual climate control, media centre, screen's all working well. Some of these don't work so well. Check that if you're looking at another one, but we always make sure ours work perfectly. Got your cup holders, storage under the armrest, again with another media connection. Glass sunroof, which is all working perfectly, as you can see there, and that's really it. And we've also got front and rear dash cam which is installed. We'll leave that in for the new owner. And that's it. Please do give us a call. We'll let you know if it's still available. Get you booked in for a test drive on 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.